Hello, today we are finishing up our tags. We're doing tags 22, 23, 24, and 25. All right, thanks for joining me. My name is Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations, and we're finishing up the 25 days of tags. Let's jump on in. All right, before we go to the last 4 tags, I wanted to show you that I mixed up some tags. So last video I was like, yeah, that seems weird, it's not a 19. That's because I swapped the 19 tag and the 16. So this is actually 16 and this should have been 19. So if you were talking to me through the screen, you are correct. I messed up the numbers. So this is 19 and this is 16. All right, so now let's move on. I think we're on 22. Yep. So we're doing tags 22, 3, 4, and 25. All right, tag 22, I have already glued it together, added my acetate, and this is going to be our tag that slides in and out. You will have to trim off the black edge in order for it to fit, at least the way I folded it. And then we have this girl, and I think she will be really cute in our window, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that. Let's see if I can get where she's going to be in the window. I think that looks pretty good. Again, let me know, since this is our last tag video, if you want to do another video using the bits and pieces, like the smaller tags, the pieces that we didn't use from the ephemera. Let me know if you would be interested in a scrap buster kind of video. Yeah, perfect. All right, and then we're going to put this back here. Okay, unfortunately, I'm not sure, but I think somehow my video stopped. But we did this for tag 22, and then we have this back here, and our girl. And then I'm making this one into a shaker tag. So what I've done is I've taken the tag part and glued it to the back and added these as my ephemera. And now I'm going to go find something to put in here for my shaker, and I'll be back. Okay, I have distressed snowflakes and sequins. I think a little bit of this will be cute in here. Oh man, let's see if I can shake it in and put some sequins. Close, and then let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. So now I am going to glue this shut. And then I'm going to glue this on here. Okay. Cute. Yeah. Perfect. I dig it. All right, so number 23 is a little shaker tag. Super easy. All right, put that aside. And we have, I almost said shaker 24. We have tag 24. And it's a coin envelope as well with a postcard. I think we'll put the Christmas tree. And I'll put parcel post on the card. All right, let's glue this on. We'll put fragile in the corner. Let's stick this in here. And then back here, do we want 24 on the front? Yeah, maybe like that, just on the side. And then let's put this right here. Just like that. And then this one, if you have a clip or Velcro, that would be, let's see if I have Velcro. Just stick that right there and stick that down. And there we go. Cute. 24s ready to go. All right, last one. Can you believe it? Are we ready for Christmas? I haven't wrapped anything yet, but I think I'm ready. And this one I forgot to print. You think this one would have been the most important and I would have remembered. So I think I'm going to get out a stencil and we'll stencil really quick. All right, I have my stencil, has Merry Christmas over and over and over. I'm going to stencil that on here. I think I'm just going to use my walnut stain and a brush. Right there. And right there. All right, there we go. Okay, let's take a peek. Oh yeah, it looks great. And then I'm just going to move this right here for the top. Perfect. All right, let's do the next one. This will be. Oh, move this a little bit. Okay, not bad. Now we have a little pattern. That's out of the way. And what do we want in our tag? I will be right back. Okay, I am taking, this is one of the pages. It's meant for journaling cards or pockets for the tags. And this is from the Christmas palette kit. And I'm going to take pieces from here to make the pockets. Plus this is cardstock. And I like that this collage will give me different parts and pieces to different patterns. So I'm just going to use this as my template. And then it will let me, excuse me, line up different parts of the paper where I want it to go. And then I'm going to make 3 pockets, I think. Maybe right here, do these 2. And then I'll do this one. And trim that. Alright, so now I have 3 pockets. Try and go for the center. Let's see how I did. Not bad. It's a little off, but it's okay. A little ink. I have from the Vintage Santa ephemera kit. I have these 2 tags with Santa, and then this is from the 25 Days of Tags, and it's the mini tag, and those will go in the pockets. Oh. Yeah. Okay, then we can put our Santas. There, then we'll put our poinsettia there. And this will fold like this and like this. So what do we need on the front? Let's see. I think I'm gonna staple. I think a little, I trimmed this down on Brad and had it spin. That would be kind of fun too. And put a Merry Christmas right in the middle. Oh, here, we can use that kind of as a backing. That just happened to be there from the cutoff. That's perfect. There we go. Just like that. And this will open. And how about we put special delivery right here? And then this opens, and we can put this one right in the middle. There we go. Okay. I think I'm going to leave those just like that. We could add string and stuff, but I think it's pretty cute. And then I have a little clip. And clip it on. All right, so let's take a look. I have, what do we have from today? This was the other day. So we have 22, 23, 24, and our last one, 25. Which one was your favorite? Okay, again, let me know if we want to do use this up our scraps or if we're all done. All right, as always, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.